Ollama versus LangChain explores which AI framework better enhances your application development with large language models, balancing ease of use and customization without overwhelming complexity. Both offer powerful tools but differ in approach and flexibility. Ollama and LangChain are AI frameworks designed for working with language models, but Ollama focuses on seamless local deployment and simplicity, while LangChain emphasizes building complex, customizable chains and integrations. The core difference lies in their design philosophy and extensibility. Ollama is a user-friendly AI framework that enables developers to run large language models locally on their machines. It simplifies model deployment by packaging models in a way that requires minimal setup, making it accessible for those who want quick, offline AI capabilities. Ollama supports popular models like Llama 4 and provides a clean interface to interact with them without needing cloud services. Its strengths include privacy, speed, and control over data since everything runs locally. However, its limitation is that it may not support highly complex workflows or extensive integrations out of the box, making it less suitable for large-scale enterprise applications. Ollama is ideal for developers and researchers who prioritize data privacy and want a straightforward setup to experiment with AI models on their own hardware. LangChain is a versatile AI framework designed to build sophisticated applications by chaining together language models with various data sources and tools. It excels in creating complex workflows such as multi-step reasoning, API calls, and memory management, making it highly customizable for diverse use cases. LangChain supports multiple models including OpenAI's GPT series and integrates seamlessly with databases, APIs, and external services, enabling developers to build powerful AI-driven applications. Its strengths lie in flexibility and scalability, allowing users to design intricate pipelines tailored to specific needs. On the downside, LangChain requires more setup and understanding of its components, which can be a hurdle for beginners or those seeking quick deployment. It suits developers and enterprises aiming to build advanced AI solutions that go beyond simple model interaction, offering full control over logic and integrations. Comparing Ollama and LangChain highlights a trade-off between simplicity and complexity. Ollama offers a lightweight, local-first experience, ideal for privacy-conscious users and quick testing without cloud dependencies. In contrast, LangChain provides a robust framework for building elaborate AI applications with extensive integrations and multi-step logic. For example, a solo developer wanting offline AI might prefer Ollama for its ease and control. Meanwhile, a company building a chatbot that pulls data from multiple APIs would benefit from LangChain's modular design. Ollama's limitation in extensibility contrasts with LangChain's steeper learning curve but greater power. Choosing between them depends on whether the priority is fast, local deployment, or scalable, customizable AI workflows. Choose Ollama if you need straightforward, privacy-focused local AI deployment with minimal setup and prefer working offline without complex integrations. Opt for LangChain when building advanced AI applications requiring rich integrations, multi-step reasoning, and scalability. It offers unmatched flexibility for developers aiming to create powerful, customized AI workflows that extend beyond basic model